Good morning everyone, or magandang umaga to all of you. So today, what I get to share to you is my tamarind. This is, it's already full blown up, or it's already have some plenty of leaves, and it's very nice. And also my microcarpa, because I work on for this day, I just take off some shot of this bonsai material so that the trunk will be multiply. And also sharing my mother plant of my tugas bato. We bought this online. That's why I have plenty of tugas bato in here. So I will get my camera and focus around on my tamarind and also my microcarpa bonsai materials. Then I will work on my red picos that the bonsai that I will work on for today. Then I will share some idea how you make your bonsai more nicer and beautiful on looking, even we don't have roots going down. So I get my camera. So this is now my tamarind. I just transfer to the turning table so that it can be seen in 360 views. This is very old already. As you can see, the trunk is full of mold. And also, I've here my full cascade microcarpa in here. Since also I don't have any bonsai or cascade pot, so I just using an ordinary pot for my microcarpa, same as other plenty of bonsai materials in the backside. So this is my mother plant of my tugas bato. That's why I have some plenty of tugas bato in here. So we will move to the bonsai in this morning, or for this morning that I work on. I was supposed to be at work this yesterday, but I don't have enough time. So this is the one. And downstairs, my lubi-lubi is already on progress. That's very nice. And look at that. Very nice. This is only 3 lubi-lubi. But my first that. So my house and my horse was killed by the dog. So this is what happened to my horse, and the house that I make a decoration to my lubi-lubi, it's already broken. So the dog that are responsible for that, that is the dog. As you can see, they're afraid and sure. So where did you get killed my horse and destroyed my house? So back on my bonsai material. So this is the one. Then I will going to pull it out. So this is very old already. This is around 18 years old or up. Time to start working on my bonsai materials. So these materials is have plenty of form that I have made on this one, because the shape of the trunk is unusual. So I try my best to do what form is very nice for these materials. But since I cannot target some nice or beautiful style, so I just maintain in this way na lang. So supposed to be the form of this bonsai material is going up like that. Since it's not accurate because the base or the what is the foundation of the trunk is not too big. It's quite small. So that's why I'm changed to this style, like flat style. So I try to take it down so that it balance like that, or just tie a whatever wire, bonsai wire. I don't know so around here. Maybe I go to another area in my bonsai garden to look for vacant wire for these materials. So in my house, plenty of bonsai materials that I cannot do it alone. Sometimes they will die. Mostly some fruit bearing bonsai materials like star apple. I get discouraged on planting that kind of bonsai materials. I have only the what we call this sampalok and the sampalok, star fruit, chicos, and the acerola cherry. What else? Every day, this is my job at home, cleaning cleaning some of my bonsai materials. We just put it down, so I get afraid that it will be broken. So I get some wire just to post my video. So I'm back. I just get some wire, then and also some of the air plant. So I will use this one for my bonsai. So this is the way of how to make your bonsai into a stylish. So all of my wire here are is not is kanan. So I need to banting this one here so that it will pull down a little like that. Then I need to this problem here because I don't have shorter wire. All of the wire here are very long, so but I will not cut this one. And also I do in a hurry because I need to make my video shorter. So that's it. I would like to push this a little downward. Hope it will not break. Then the important here, this air plant, instead of let them, I will what we call peel off some of the skin of this bonsai materials to make root going down, so it's nice looking. But for the meantime, I will use this air plant to make the materials not dried. So you just hang some air plant in here. So I think my video is very long because I did not use any time lapse. So this is just for a demo because I do it in a hurry way, but it will help your bonsai look beautiful. So I just put only 3 what it calls air plant. But if you can manage to arrange it well, this materials is nice. So you see that air plants on under, so it look like ugly. But if you saw this kind of bonsai or in the wood that is big tree, then there's an air plant hanging it. It seems to be like in a wild. So I will get some water because the air plant will turn to green when you sprinkle water. So we will transfer this one here. So you can see now it looks like an old tree. This one. So this air plant can be helpful to your bonsai, but for how many years that I watched some bonsai show, they never use the air plant as a backup decoration of their bonsai materials. That's why I'm sharing this, because this bonsai air plant, not bonsai, this air plant can be helpful to your bonsai, especially when you put hanging around your bonsai. So for this morning, that's all I can share this to you. My video. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you. Have a nice morning ahead of you. Bye-bye.